The question that how would you explain hypocrisy? What is hypocrisy? That let's say I'm watching hypocrisy in Islam based on Quran and Sunnah of Prophet ﷺ is a very big subject. If you look at the Quran and teachings of Prophet ﷺ, there are certain attributes of the hypocrites. Now, if you do pray, the question was, if I pray and I fast, but I also watch TV, does that mean I'm a hypocrite? No, it does not mean you're a hypocrite. It would be if, let's say, I'm watching things on TV, astaghfirullah, that I don't want people to know about. It is that bad. And then people think I'm a good person. Then it's a dhul wajhain. Double-faced person is a worse hypocrite. That is also hypocrisy based on hadith. Dhul wajhain, the wicked person. May Allah save us from being that. But if you're watching something that people watch, normal stuff, not illicit, not haram, not astaghfirullah, vulgar stuff, then it is not hypocrisy, inshallah. So watching TV is not the problem. So yes, practicing Islam and sometime watching TV for light entertainment, it's okay, inshallah. That's not hypocrisy. I have a detailed lecture and khutbahs on hypocrisy in Urdu, definitely on our channel we have, but inshallah at some point I'll give a detailed lecture in video also. I think it's an audio where I've talked about detailed description of hypocrites in the Quran and hypocrites in the Hadith of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Very clear. And may I just recommend first 20 ayat of Surah Baqarah, Surah Munafiqun, and Surah Tawbah. These three surahs of the Quran, if you recite with translation, understand, you would know what hypocrisy is based on the Quran. And then of course Hadith, it talks about lying, it talks about excessive abusive language, it talks about cheating, it talks about deceiving. That's about it. Yeah, lying, cheating, excessive. So Prophet ﷺ said when he talks, he lies. When he's entrusted, he betrays. When he does show off, show off is also an attribute, right? These are about the attributes. The hadith, the famous hadith, is when he talks, he lies. When he is entrusted, he betrays the trust. When he fights, yeah, he breaks the promises. Yes, so he betrays the trust and he also breaks the promises, or he or she, of course, for that matter, and abusive language. These are the brief descriptions of hypocrisy from the Quran and Sunnah. Inshallah, at some point we'll do a detailed lecture on that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all.